All right, cool. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. We got 2, 5, 7, 8. We're actually just going to roll the die. Pick a box. 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do box number 7 out of the stack. Thank you again, everybody, for joining. Hope you guys had fun in this stuff. It's been amazing, awesome. Not a huge letdown on this stuff. Very amazed. Hope you get, like I said, I hope you guys like it. Pretty sure they'll appreciate your feedback if you guys tweet them out or whatever. You got there's not 100, but there's 134 names including base cards. You don't want to do base cards, do you? I mean, you just really want to go for the autographs. No, Brandon, it is not. I should have one more for tonight. Alright, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out after the box. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. We have Loan for Cards, MMA King, Richard Hare, War Turtles 9, The Gore, Herd Fan 87, Kyle Powell, and Peter's Cards. Peter's Cards. Wait. And CCM photo. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, cool. So CCM photo. Sorry about that. And give you mods and this one. Thank you, sir. Just had to make sure. And make sure. All right. Sorry. Should have done that before I started the video. Huh? Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Random. Now we get P Rose. 3 boxer. That one I have to edit it, so it's gonna be on to as soon as I can. I'll edit the video because it recorded everything. So I gotta edit the video. I gotta cut it out, and then it'll upload. We got a 22 of 50 autograph. All right, so we got Paul Heyman. Goldust, Stardust, and we got Undertaker versus Triple H, and 22 of 50. Nice, Randy Orton. Look at that 2-color. Nice 2-color patch. Randy Orton. I keep wanting to call him the Rattlesnake, but I know he's, what is he? The Venom? The Venom? Ah, I just got RKO'd out of nowhere. The Viper? There you go. The Vegan? The Viper. Keep wanting to call him Venom. Sorry. I guess I only found it funny. 14 of 99. Shawn Michaels versus Triple H. Alright, we got Brie Bella, red. Ultimate Warrior, yes. I'm a casual fan, sorry. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat and Dolph Ziggler. Yeah, Dolph Ziggler, base auto. We can do, you want to do the whole case, or you want to do, how many boxes is that, Trevor? Oh, Dolph Ziggler, put Dolph Ziggler in the randomizer. Sorry. I'm recovering from getting RKO'd. Whole case? Alright, whole case it is then. All right, find me 134 people that want to join. Just kidding. We got a redemption. Oh, nice one. Razor's Edge. It's a nice one. It's the first time we've seen that one. Razor's Edge. 13 of 25. Bob Backlund. Chicken Wing. Jack Swagger. Cesaro. And a redemption. Congratulations. You are due to receive a Undisputed autograph of Bret the Hitman Hart. The best there is, the best there was, the best there ever will be. Bret Hart. That didn't happen at the Air Canada Center, right? The Montreal, oh no, that was in Montreal. Montreal Screwjob was in Montreal, duh. For my casual fan knowledge. Alright, we got 8 in English. British Bulldog, 73 of 99. Bray Wyatt. Natalya. Woo! 8 of 50. Nature Boy, Ric Flair. Ric Flair, Bret Hart in this box, and Randy Orton. We got a red. Sheamus, Ryback, R-Truth, King Barrett, Dolph Ziggler, Mark Henry. 60 of 99. A classy Freddie Blassie, sorry. The British Bulldog. Shawn Michaels. That may be the first Shawn Michaels base we've seen. And our autograph. Rusev. Rusev. Of course, you have to throw a Rusev pack in there. Had to get that Rusev, huh? All right. Right. No, it's so so coming. We got one back to back. Remember, Natalya red. R-Truth, Big Boss Man, Big Show, KO Punch, and we got our NXT autograph of Baron Corbin. That's our Baron Corbin auto. Nice. See, I don't watch NXT, so I don't know much of the NXT guys. I know Samoa Joe and Ben jeez, I can't even pronounce his name now. I'm tongue-tied. Finn Balor, sorry. Know him. Oh, we got a woman auto. We got Ultimate Warrior versus Rick Rude. Freddie Blassie. Classy Freddie Blassie, red. Yokozuna. Zack Ryder, and our woman auto is Lita. Very nice, Lita. Man, I might have to go fishing for some of these autographs myself. Lita. Iron Sheik. Oh, that's our autograph. All right. Hey, Becky Lynch, 32 of 99. Sergeant Slaughter. Sin Cara. Triple H versus Randy Orton. And our autograph is gonna be... Jerry the King Lawler. Relic auto. Oh, that would have been great to put Mr. King on the Mr. T on the set. Jerry the King Lawler. Relic auto. Didn't they put him in once? I thought they put him in a set. I can't remember which set they put him in. All right, that's an autograph. We got Enzo Amore. Roman Reigns, next WWE Heavyweight Champion, 87 of 99. Rusev, Dolph Ziggler, Zigzag, and our autograph is... Ooh, another Relic auto. Ah, we hadn't seen this guy in a while. Connor! We had not seen him in a while. Oh, we had not seen Connor in a while. Right? It was a good while. Hey, stop jinxing it, Miami. No, that's not. Oh, our auto's next. Alright, cool. Alright, we got 7 of 25, $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase. Right. Perfect Plex. Mr. Perfect. Imagine trying to do that on that big old guy right there. Bam Bam Bigelow. Oh, jeez. I mean, I know he helps you out on the jump and all that stuff, but damn. Tyson Kidd, 29 of 50. King Barrett. And our last autograph is WWE legend Alundra Blaze. No Blaze in the first one. We got our all in the second case, right? Oh no, she was in the big 3 boxer. That's the one she was in. Alright, so Alundra Blaze. Cool. Alright, we're going to roll the dice. See how many times we hit this randomizer. We got everybody in the randomizer. All the cards in there. 7 times. 777. Alright, let's go to the names first. Oh yeah, we love for cards. MMA King 505, Richard Hare, War Turtles 9, The Gore, Herd Fan 87, Kyle Powell. What is this over there? Peter's Cards and CCM Photo. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Richard Hare on the top, loan for cards at the bottom. Alright, on to our hits. We got Randy Orton, Dolph Ziggler, Bret Hart, Ric Flair, Rusev, Baron Corbin, Lita, Jerry Lawler, Connor, and Alundra Blaze 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time coming. Buena suerte. Good luck, everybody. 7. We got Jerry Lawler on the top, Lita at the bottom. Alright, here you go. Richard Hare gets the Jerry Lawler. Kyle Powell the Bret Hart. MMA King 505 gets the Connor. Peter's Cards the Dolph Ziggler. Herd Fan 87 the Ric Flair. CCM Photo the Rusev. Herd Fan 87 the Baron Corbin. The Gore gets Alundra Blaze. War Totals 9 the Randy Orton. And loan for cards the Lita. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you very much.